Unang yalam ke 𝗵𝗶𝗴𝗴𝗀𝗵𝗶 bad UMLA ke pentarong kra constituency uba 𝗃𝗃 ulapan pau ke jing sokya ke bajur halor ke jing lat to ke jing kli ke examen nit da ke bong bagani ke jing ja ka kata ya kalau we jing samla puli hakri berokobai abakran ni kira pthai kubor halor ke jing ye biteng ke jing ki jing samla puli hajantar mantar ha New Delhi ke badawa ban 𝗵𝗶𝗴𝗀𝗃𝗄 menteri ke tanat puli putih ke sarkar pedeng bad banwara ke jing kala ke rukom trekam jong ke tanat Uba 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗄𝗵𝗏 ulapan 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 lada ke jing ki balapan long da ke cockroach janta party ke dan jing dai bat ki wei kisang sad berthai ni kan hon. Nri usmotho bagi samla pule klami beneki namar bagi lasha kata asisha bene kendo ki kendrom kendram nagadau jong ke jing lat tu kini ki jing keli. Uba 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗏 ula banjur bagi de kamram bekongsan jong ke sarkar ban penti kena bat penbet gini ki jing ki bagi samla pule ki kendo. Bar ula dawa bagi sarkar ke dewan penlong da ke jing toket ke babnya alo kini ki jing keno kenang ban pensyailut ki jing shisha baro. Ha ke bedai bagi jing dawa 𝗵𝗴𝗴𝗀𝗃𝗄𝗵 ya menteri. Ulang bagi sarkar ke ban bishar benia aswai ki daw ki ba penlong ban mi kini ki jing keno. Bar adian bala pen shisha ki ai ungit scam bagi sarkar pedang kan sasyem ya ki senjam ki badan kam. Namar kata ulai ya ke jing start jong sarkar pedang ban syem ki senjam badan kam halo kini ki jing ki badang beteng hajantar mantar.
I'm not concerned for which organization and which political party. It has their own opinion and statement. But we all are concerned of our students. Our student is affected. So for a student cause, for any cause which is related to our interest of the people, it is our duty and responsibility to ensure that there should not be any problem. For demanding for anybody resignation, actually they have to see first what is the main issue of the problem. The main issue of the problem, after they have done their own verifications and all, so whatever I think the decision will take, the government they will take it the appropriate action. If you ask me, we leave it to the wisdom of the union government to take the appropriate action, whatever the issue has been happened. See, the duty of law and order also have to be physically verified in the spots. We don't know what kind of the situations there. Before we appreciate or condemn anybody, we should know first the physical situations that what is happening there. As a responsibility of any government, they have to take. We have to do inquiry on this. They cannot just we have to without inquiry to find the fact finding. So we have to have the fact finding, no. See, people are looking only on some negative part. You have to see the positive part also when we are doing the development, when you are doing any policy, you are, whatever policy we are giving, it has to be, should be benefit the people.